Alright. Sink, 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 sink. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, hey guys, what's up? Sexy as fuck. Came back for some more Pokemans. Some more Pokemans Let's Plays. Last time we left off, I straight up beat old Torpay, headed ass, that weak ass fool. And now we're gonna fight this youngster ass bug catcher, cause he a little bitch ass fool. So let's go. Alright, this is my first battle, you guys. I'm totes nervous. Alright, let's go. Let's go. He said some gay shit. I don't know. Sorry. Yeah, I decided to do this. I was like, I'm uploading this video and taking like an hour or something to upload. Totally pissing me off. What the fuck? I bet like freaking, yeah, it's taking like an hour or something. Anyways, I bet freaking bug Pokemon are just like, he's got a freaking Charmander. A Charmander. Like, they're just like, I done fucked up. All I've been catching is bug Pokemon. Let me just quit. But no, that's not what, his name is Rick? Oh, Rick Ross! No. I will not change my Pokemons. Caterpie! I still don't know if I will catch a Caterpie or not. Sorry, it's really late. I don't even know what time it is. My thingy is, the screen's blocking it. I use Scratch, huh? Yeah. Man, this weak ass fool. I'm trying to get through this maze as quick as possible. I think I missed a battle. To be honest, I don't care. I'm just being honest with you guys. I'm like, I don't care. I ain't gonna go battle that chump ass fool. I'ma beat him. Like, I'ma just OP on them. Like, I'ma shit bricks on these guys. Sorry. Jesus. What'd it say? Hack it or something? Shit. I think it found out I'm hacking. Alright, I'm gonna catch a Caterpie. If I catch a Caterpie, I'm gonna catch it. But if anything, no. Alright, I'm straight up battle this guy. Yo! Oh, he's black. Alright. If he's black, then what? Alright, hold up. I gotta do the yo right. Yo! Can't jam out if you're a... Can't jam out if you're a Pokemon trainer. Was it racist that I thought he was black because he said yo? Or no, he's not black. He's a wigger. He's a wigger. Duh. I'm so dumb, dude. He's a wigger. That's why he was like, yo. Freaking, look, he's got the whitest name too. Doug. This fool from Nickelodeon and shit. Jesus Christ. Freaking Doug turned black. God. I was like, yo. I just shat on Doug's parade over here. Poor Doug, man. Doug was like, man, today's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna straight up battle some people. And you know what? I'm gonna grow as a Pokemon trainer. But that ain't what happened. I straight shat on this fool's day. Look, he gonna get shat on his day thrice. He's like, sorry. He's probably like, man. He's like over there screaming behind his Pokemon. Dill, are you sure you don't want to change Pokemons? You sure, bruh? You sure? Cause I mean, I don't know, your Charmander looks like he's getting tired. My ass, man. Charmander over here beefing up. My Charmander is gonna evolve before we hit freaking Brock. I'm gonna straight take Brock out. I'm gonna take him out. I'm gonna hit him with the 1-2. He gonna be like, ah, shit. Kakuna. Kakuna actually looks like a dick. Like, think about it. Look, like his head is a freaking tip, and then the rest is just the shaft and shit. But Metapod over there, Metapod's just like a green banana that isn't ripe yet. Just think about it for a second. I'm just saying. What the hell? What happened to his Wigga shit? Huh? Real Pokemon. Dude, they paying me some weak ass shit. I'm tired of this little weak ass money. I'm out here trying to sell. Yo, hold up. Yo, dog, check this out. That totally. Wait, hold up. That totally stinks. I'm going. Look. He started. Look, he started talking all white. Now he's like, that totally stinks. I'm going to catch me some stronger ones. First he was black. Man, I straight up sell you some of that good potions though. Come on, dog. Come on, man. You only gave me 84 Poké dollars. Come on, man. I'm out here trying to feed my Charmander, my Squirtle, and my Bulbasaur. Come on, dog. Man, fuck your shit then. Oh shit, free Pokeball. Found one antidote. Man, fuck your antidote. What's over here? To be honest, I forgot how to get out of here. I think I was supposed to go that way. I think. Whatever, he didn't see me. I don't care. I'm not battling him. I don't give a fuck. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, Pokeball battle. Pokeball battle. Pokemon battle. Oh, that's gay ass Caterpie. I want a boy Caterpie. So that way I could release it into the wild and shit. Like a freaking Ash. Yo, hold up. Y'all ever noticed? Did you know? Oh, he was never gonna. Did this fool just ask me if I knew Pokemon evolve? Jesus Christ, these kids are retarded. This is why, like, they gotta make rules about this shit. Like, when and when not to go. If you haven't gotten at least this far of an education, you cannot be a Pokemon trainer. This guy, he just straight up asked me, did you know Pokemon freaking evolve? No shit. How do you think I'm gonna get a Charmeleon and a Charmander, Charizard and shit? I said Charmander. I feel stupid as fuck. But like seriously, bro, this fool was like, yeah, they can evolve. This Swaggy P thinking motherfucker. Hold up. Here's some shit. Here's something to fuck with your head. Swaggy P fucking Iggy Azalea. Like, you know, shouts out to you, cause you banging that shit. You know, you banging that Australian pussy. But here's the one thing. You one of the slowest people out there. And the like I don't know if maybe it's your character or something. Maybe you playing a character, you know. But bruh, oh my god, he's in interviews and he's like, I think I play a good game. I don't really know though. It really depends on if I get the ball or not. Like, bruh, how are you banging Iggy? Maybe she likes slow guys. And apparently she was into ASAP Rocky. I mean, that guy looks pretty slow himself. I was about to start singing. Man, I'm gonna start singing some Ferg. Put in work. Flacco, put in dirt. A lot of homies died, yeah, out in Pakistan. I don't even think that's the line. But really though, I don't feed. Nah, she a silly hoe. I don't feed her anything but some dick and some Cheerios. Put in work. Flacco, put in dirt. Alright. Oh my god. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. This fool. Ah, shit. My shit's lagging. Who the fuck's using the Wi-Fi at this time, bro? Alright, last thingy. Read the little thingy. Just cause you can't catch a Pokemon that belongs to someone else. No shit. Jesus, dude. Why are they like they should ask, do you already know how to play the game? Yes, motherfucker. Oh shit, this guy. Hey, wait up. What's the hurry? Why the rush? Bet you ain't gonna catch shit. Now I'm gonna get mad. I ain't gonna catch shit here. Weedle. Let's go Char. Let's Metal Claw it, just cuz. Like, what are you doing? Oh, okay. Like, just cause we can do that. Oh, I thought I was gonna kill it. I should have used Ember. I know, I'm sorry for yawning like a mofo. I yawn like crazy up in her. What did I do? Oh, okay. Jesus. Oh, man. Straight up killed that Weedle. Sammy Sweetheart over here headed ass. Damn, thank you, bruh. He finally hit that 100 stack. Hell yeah. I'm gonna hook you up with some good ass cough syrup. Don't even trip, bruh. Oh shit, I'm about to fight. Ah, this gay ass Metapod. Fuck that fool. Gay ass fool. Oh shit. Do I need to talk to any of them? To be honest, I don't even know. Have you noticed that? Ah, shit. Oh, shit. What the? Because no, but it's still going. Okay. I was about to shit bricks. I don't think they do anything, to be honest. I don't think they give anything up. I don't know. I'm not gonna save. Do I want them to evolve? Nah, not yet. Alright. So I'll hit 13. I gotta catch some Pokemon though, bro. I didn't catch shit. Why they keep sending me some lame ass food? Fuck. You know what? I need to beef up so I can't even say shit right now. Man, shit. I was gonna say something funny. Like, literally, I was like, man, I'm gonna say something funny. I don't remember what it was. Oh, shit. It's not funny. It's actually not funny at all. But it is a bunch of shout outs from some people on Clash of Clans. They only get a shout out. I'll give a few shout outs today. Why not? I feel like giving a few shout outs. So, first few shout outs go to Optic and Osa, you know, because they're the real MVPs. They're part of the clan I'm in. Then the other 3 shout outs. It's a gas level. The other 3 shout outs I do are going out to 1 Sky the Kid RS, Thor's Second Hammer, and Navy Dark Angel. Shout outs to you guys because you guys subscribed, I think. Well, I know Navy Dark Angel subscribed, so shouts out to him. Put in work, straight up. I couldn't tell if the other guys freaking what's it called, but yeah, I put in work, so they get a shout out. So if y'all want a shout out, yeah, just let me know. I might give you a shout out. I don't know, maybe. Not like I give a fuck. Damn, this is such a random ass episode. Alright, we're gonna get out of the grass, or we're gonna go to the Poke Center, and then I'm gonna beef up a little bit. I'm gonna just get them to level 3 to be 3. I'm gonna get them to level 13 to be honest, and I'll catch you guys after that. You guys remember that show, Chowder? That shit was hilarious. That shit was low-key funny. That fool Schnitzel. Rada. Oh my god. Alright. Thanks, Hope. We hope to see you again. Yeah, I know, because you want this big ass dick. Alright. Yes, I would like to save this game. Alright, thank you guys for joining me in this episode of Pokemans. I hope you guys like and comment and do all that other stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode. All that other information's down on the description. So yeah, check that out if you need it. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.